Hi everybody, today we're testing a new tent. It's our first time camping since we purchased this one and kids love it.
We have here Coleman Pop-Up, 4 people set up in 10 seconds. Holds 7.7 pounds of people. Well, we'll see. So we have to count to 10.
That's more than anyone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright,
Wow! Hey guys, Daddy needs some help.
the tent is here.
Make sure clean feet
I'll bring the pump.
on the inside. That's how it looks.
Pocket.
It's okay, there is a pocket over there. Hello guys.
We are in the camp.
Party time.
Whoa.
You can remove the top if you want to. It's simply, there's like a hook.
Mommy, can
Right.
you remove the top?
Yes, I can remove the top in a second. So if you want to put it on, you just have to use the hooks, but it doesn't go all the way down. They're only on the top. So basically it covers the windows. Okay, here's one thing that I don't like. It's kind of difficult to zip. Kids, my 5-year-old is having difficult time to do it. And I am having difficult time to do it. Max, now try to zip it. Zip it from the bottom. See, he's having a hard time zipping it up. Let's see how much it sticks out here. Like almost I feel like it's ready to break. Oh, wow. Well, maybe we'll have to stretch.
Remove it.
Okay, I will remove the top in a second. You cannot completely remove the top. It is attached right here. You cannot disattach it. You cannot unclip it. It's on the rubber band. But you can take it down. Now, folding it. One and a half minutes, a little bit more than 1.5 minutes.